Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Look who decided to show up. Yeah, this is my beauty box by Beauteque Beauty. This is for February. I know, she finally made it. Do you want to know what's inside and see if it was worth the wait? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this guy should have been delivered like 2 weeks ago, and then it went MIA for literally 2 weeks straight, and then it started tracking in, which is very weird. I do not know what happened with this box. I don't know where it went. It probably traveled the world. So as soon as I'm done, I'm definitely going to be washing my hands because I don't know where it went. But this is for February, and I should have received this on the first week of this month, and now we're like on the third week of the month. So let's see if it was worth the wait. Let's dive in here and see what was in this box. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. And the card says me time. The sticker says me time. And then when you open this up, that's what it looks like for the presentation. So let's see. Now in this one, it does give you the retail pricing for the item, where the Mask Maven, it doesn't. So in here, it does go over all of the different items and it tells you all of the different pricing. So at the end, I will be able to add up the total retail value. So let's go ahead and start with the first thing right here. It says Blooming Collagen Tox, Bird's Nest, Blooming Collagen Tox, Sleeping Water Pack. Ooh, I love sleeping water packs. So this right here is valued at $18. Here's the packaging, and it says why we love it. Take your beauty sleep to the next level. This water pack works while you sleep to penetrate deep into the pores, removing dead skin and replacing it with strong moisturization. It features the ingredient Bird's Nest, which has a lot of nutrition and protein to help maintain youthful and enhance your complexion. It really doesn't have a bird's nest. So what in the world are they talking about? I don't know. Here's this little spoon to scoop it out. And then here is the actual product itself. So it is only filled inside of that little chamber. So it's not, it's kind of a little bit of looks can be deceiving, but it is down inside there. And then when you open it up, maybe those brown dots in there is the part of the bird's nest. I don't know. I don't know. It does smell nice and clean. Let me put a little on my hand. I really like sleepy masks, so I'm really, there's even some more because it came on the lid. Okay, I'm really excited to try this out, and this values for $18. So I have a little here. Well, it's a lot. See that brown thing, once you like rub it into your skin, it opens up and like fades away. So I don't know what is in those brown things. I just put this all over my whole arm and hand. It feels amazing. My hands are so dry right now, you guys. I'm washing my hands so much that my hands are literally getting so dry. But I'll take it. I'll take dry hands to be clean any day. So there's item number one. So then the next item, you guys, says Touch My Body Scrub. This moisturizing exfoliator contains a So Thing, S-O-O, a So Thing combination of goat milk and shea butter blend together into a nourishing to rejuvenate dry skin. Delicate walnut granules gently remove dead skin and impurities to leave skin looking and feeling softer, smoother, and brighter. Oh, contains a soothing combination. They broke the word up. That is so weird. And the only reason why I knew that is because down here it says soft, and then the is over here. So when it says up here, when it's like so thing, it's soothing. But that's just weird because it's S-O-O and then you have thing. And so there's two, I don't know. I don't know why they broke it up, but there you go. This is valued at $18.99. Why we love it. This moisturizing body scrub is perfect for skincare restoration all around your body. It is formulated with goat milk and shea butter which helps nourish and rejuvenate dry skin. After usage, you will be left feeling smooth and subtle all over. In the shower, apply a small amount of body scrub to your tips of your fingers. Rub into your body with gentle circular motions. It says use every other day for maximum exfoliation. I don't mind exfoliators on my body, just not my face, especially around my hairline. I can't stand it. So I'll definitely use it since it's a body scrub. Next we have is a green tea cleansing water, Healing Tea Garden. And this is from the Sam, which is a good brand. It's in this box a lot. This is valued at $12. This cleansing water contains Bosong, I'm not sure, green tea, which removes makeup and waste from deep within pores, while white tea extract brightens dull complexions, while AHA elements break down and eliminate dead skin cells. Because this cleanser is water-based, it is gentle on the skin. So there you have it. So you have and as I'm moving it around, it's getting like little bubbles inside, but we have a green tea cleansing water. That's awesome. And again, that's valued at $12. Next we have is Beauty Treats Coconut Lip Mask. Hydrating lip balm for soft and smooth lips. Lip care infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. And this is valued at $4. Why we love it. Dry, cracked lips can cause unnecessary irritation, and chapstick sometimes just doesn't cut it. This ultra hydrating lip mask penetrates deep to deliver coconut oil and vitamin E to soften and condition lips. So there's that. And then let's see, we have looks like little hair clips. I don't think I've ever received hair clips before, so that's kind of neat. Hair clip set valued at $8. Style may vary because on here they have one that's a darker on the bottom, and this one's like a white. So I kind of like the white one. So there's that. And it says, we're happy to say these clips are back in style. Get your hair out of your face while also looking fashion forward. Hold your hair down and slide the clip into place. So that's valued at $8. It probably should have been $4, but it says $8. Mainly, I don't know, maybe because they're fancy. So then the last item in here, you guys, is this, it says eye warmer, and I see lavender up in this corner. So I'll probably go ahead and hold this off for one of you guys. This is valued at $2.99, and it says it's a heat eye warmer mask in chamomile or lavender. I really wish I would have got chamomile because then I would have used it. Give your eyes a much needed TLC with this heated eye mask. Unlike other eye masks, this heated one helps to relieve pain, increase circulation, relax spasms of the muscles, and help in wound healing. It is also beneficial for those dealing with dry or irritated eyes. I've used a warming eye mask before, and they're actually, it surprised me the first time because I didn't think it was going to get as warm as it did. But it was actually really nice, and I had a straining like headache that night, and it kind of helped. So I like them. It's just I definitely don't want something this close to my nose if it smells like lavender, because then it'll give me a headache when I'd probably be using it to try to get rid of a headache. And yeah, so that is everything that came in this month's beauty box, you guys. I feel that it's actually a pretty good box. The last few have kind of been falling a little short for me, but I feel like this is kind of back on their normal track. So we have the heated eye mask. We have the green tea cleansing water, which I'm actually excited to try that. We have Touch My Body body scrub. We have a lip mask. We have hair clips, which I'm really excited to see hair clips in this box. And then we have this sleeping mask, sleeping water pack to put on your face at night, which feels amazing. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's beauty box? I actually think that it's pretty good. I will add up the grand total and put the total retail box value right here for you guys. That would be what everything is when you add up everything from this particular month. Now, if you guys want to know a little bit more about Beauteque Beauty, they have two different subscriptions. They have the Mask Maven, which I showed you already because that one showed up and I didn't know where this one was. And then they have this one, which is the Beauty Box. The Beauty Box is $24 a month. Shipping is in addition. If you do 6 months prepaid, it brings it to $23 a month. And if you do a whole 12 months, it brings it to $22 per box. Plus, again, shipping is still in addition. And you get 6 full-size products delivered to your door monthly. You receive an assortment of skincare, makeup, body, and hair care, and much more. So that's what you normally get in the Beauteque monthly. You normally get one type of mask. Sometimes it could be a sheet mask, a foot mask, a hand mask. Today's an eye mask. Sometimes it could be like the 2 or the 3 step. So you always get at least one mask in this box. That's why I always was like putting off the Mask Maven, because I always had at least one in here. But then I wanted to show you guys the difference between the Mask Maven, so I got that subscription as well. I do have a few more months. I think 3 more months. May, June, July, August. I think I have 3 more months with both of them. And then I'll probably hold off because I have been getting this for like 2 years now. And I mean, I'm getting so much skincare from other boxes and other brands and doing other reviews. So I think I need to cut back on this box once this one is over. So I'll have it for at least like another 3 more months until my subscription is done. Yeah, there's that. So you guys, again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. Stay safe, stay clean, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.